Welcome to SaaS Beast Pro. In today's video, we're checking out the 6 best data recovery software for PC, and we'll start with a detailed look at one of the top options on the list. I'll walk you through its main features and user interface, so you can see exactly how it works. Now let's get started. At number 6 on our list, we have Wise Data Recovery, a professional tool designed to restore your lost files with speed and reliability. It's available for free on the Microsoft Store and lets you recover up to 2 GB of data, including photos, videos, documents, and more, all in just a few clicks. Standout features: free 2 GB recovery. You can restore up to 2 GB of deleted files completely free. Supports 1,000 plus file types. From photos and videos to emails and archives, this tool handles a huge range of formats. Recover from multiple devices, works with HDDs, SSDs, USB drives, memory cards, and even digital cameras. Preview before recovery lets you view files before restoring them to ensure you recover exactly what you need. Once you open Wise Data Recovery, you'll first see the Select Location screen, where you choose the drive or folder you want to scan. Next, you can refine your search by choosing a file type, like photos, videos, or documents. The File Path section helps you navigate through folders to pinpoint specific recovery areas. Then there's the Filter option, which allows you to narrow results based on file size, type, or date. Finally, you can use the search file bar to quickly locate a specific file name from the scan results. The interface is simple, clean, and intuitive, making file recovery fast and effortless, even for beginners. At number 5 on our list, we have MyRecover, a powerful and easy-to-use Windows data recovery software developed by Aomi. It's designed to help you recover lost or deleted files from your PC, external drives, USBs, and even crashed systems. With a high success rate and a clean, simple interface, it's trusted by thousands of users for smooth and reliable recovery. Here are 3 standout features you'll love. Wide file support. Recover over 1,000 file types, including photos, videos, and documents from nearly any storage device. Dual scanning modes. Choose between quick scan and deep scan to locate deleted or lost data with accuracy. Preview before recovery. View files in full before restoring them, so you recover exactly what you need. Now, let's take a quick look at the app's interface. On the main screen, you'll see options to scan a folder or drive, perfect for starting your recovery process. Next, the Deleted Files Recovery section helps you restore recently removed items with just a few clicks. The Recycle Bin Recovery tab lets you bring back files that were permanently deleted. You'll also find dedicated options for USB or SD card recovery, and a format recovery tool for retrieving data from formatted drives. Finally, under Advanced Recovery, you'll see powerful modes like Disk Data Recovery, Partition Loss Recovery, and PC Crash Recovery. The design is clean, simple, and easy to navigate, making MyRecover a solid choice for anyone looking to restore lost data effortlessly. At number 4 on our list, we have Recuva, a powerful and easy-to-use file recovery app available on the Microsoft Store. With thousands of downloads and solid user ratings, Recuva helps you recover deleted files from your computer, recycle bin, memory cards, or even MP3 players, quickly and safely. Here are some standout features. Superior file recovery. Effortlessly restores deleted documents, pictures, videos, and more in just a few clicks. Recovery from damaged disks. Retrieves files even from partially corrupted or formatted drives. Deep scan for buried files. Searches your entire storage to uncover files that other tools might miss. Securely delete files. Permanently wipes sensitive data so it can never be recovered again. Now, let's take a quick look at the interface. When you open Recuva, the first screen shows a list of drives. This is where you select the location you want to scan for deleted files. Next, clicking Scan starts the recovery process, and you'll see a progress bar while it searches through your files. Once the scan completes, you can use Preview, Info, and Header to view details about each file before restoring it. There's also a search bar at the top to quickly find specific files by name. Finally, the Options menu allows you to adjust scan depth, secure deletion preferences, and language settings. Overall, Recuva's clean and simple interface makes it easy for anyone to recover lost files in minutes. At number 3 on our list, we have Stellar Data Recovery for Windows. This app holds a solid reputation on the Microsoft Store, known for helping users recover lost or deleted files, including documents, photos, videos, and emails, from nearly any storage device. Here are 3 standout features that make it impressive. Wide file recovery support recovers all kinds of lost or deleted files, from photos to archived folders. Versatile storage compatibility works with hard drives, SSDs, SD cards, USB flash drives, and even BitLocker or encrypted media. Powerful scan options uses an advanced scanning engine to retrieve maximum recoverable data even from corrupted or raw drives. Now, let's take a quick look at the interface. When you first open the app, you'll see the What to Recover screen, where you can select specific file types, like documents, videos, or emails, to restore. Next, the Recover From option lets you choose your source, whether it's a local drive, an external device, or a partition. If you've already run a scan before, the Resume Recovery tab helps you pick up right where you left off. Under the General section, you'll find basic settings and preferences to customize your recovery process. And finally, the Add Raw File Formats option lets advanced users include custom file types for a more precise recovery. Overall, Stellar Data Recovery for Windows combines simplicity with strong recovery power, perfect for anyone who needs to bring lost files back to life with just a few clicks. At number 2 on our list, we have Wondershare Recoverit, one of the most trusted and highly rated data recovery tools on the Microsoft Store. With thousands of positive reviews and a reputation, Recoverit helps users restore lost files from nearly any device, safely and effectively. Here are some of its features. Recover deleted files. Quickly bring back files you accidentally deleted from your PC or external storage. Recover SD card. Retrieve photos, videos, and documents from corrupted or formatted SD cards with just a few clicks. Recover partitions. Restore entire lost or deleted partitions without losing your important data. Recover hard drives. Handle damaged or formatted hard drives with ease, recovering files in multiple formats. Recover photos. Bring back precious memories from cameras, phones, or memory cards in high quality. Now, let's take a look at the user interface. When opening the app, you'll see the Hard Drives and Locations Bar section. This is where you can choose your main storage drives to begin recovery. Next, tapping. SD card recovery gives a clean card-style layout showing all connected SD cards for quick scanning. Moving on to Video Photo Restore, the interface neatly separates media recovery options, making it easy to locate deleted pictures or videos. Under Enhanced Recovery, you'll find advanced tools designed for deep or complex data loss cases. There's also Corrupted Video Repair, perfect for fixing damaged or unplayable video files. In the More Recovery Features tab, additional utilities like email or external device recovery are conveniently listed. Finally, options like System Crashed Computer, NAS, and Linux let you recover from non-booting PCs and network drives, showing how powerful and versatile this software really is. Overall, Wondershare Recoverit combines simplicity with professional-grade recovery tools, making it one of the best choices for bringing your lost data back to life. We've finally reached the end of our list, and we've saved the best for last. After checking out all the great tools before this, it's time to reveal the one that truly stands out. At number 1 on our list, we have Disk Drill Data Recovery, a powerful and reliable tool for bringing your lost files back to life. With a solid 4.2 rating out of 5 and 5 reviews on the Microsoft Store, this app makes file recovery simple, quick, and stress-free. Whether you've deleted photos, videos, or important documents, Disk Drill helps you get them back in no time. Here are some of its standout features. Free data recovery up to 500 MB. Recover deleted files without paying anything. Recovery Vault Protection adds a safeguard to prevent permanent data loss. Byte-level backups make full detailed copies of your drives for extra safety. Now let's walk through the app's clean and organized interface. On the main screen, under Storage Devices, you'll find options like hardware disks, logical volumes, RAIDs, NAS and Linux via SSH, and other, making it easy to choose where to recover from. Next, in Recent Sessions, you can view your past recovery scans and pick up right where you left off. Then, in Extra Tools, Disk Drill includes features like SMART, monitoring for drive health, data protection, byte-to-byte backup, and a cleanup utility to keep your system optimized. Finally, the Disk Drill section contains detailed app information, recovery options, and helpful guidance to make the most of your experience. Thanks for watching till the end. If you've enjoyed this full series, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth app breakdowns like this one.